Hey, it's Kat here, and I'm going to show you how to hold your hook and yarn to make it easy for you to make your crochet project. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, which is all I do is cross the yarn over and then pull through the front and then put it through the back. So that's your slip knot to start with. Then you're going to pop your hook in. And the way I hold my hook is just like a fork at the dinner table. You just put your thumb on the grip and then clasp the rest of the hook with your fingers and just make sure it's nice and comfortable. And then in the other hand, you want to just take your working yarn, which is this part, and you want to hold your hand out like this. Then you want to lay it across. So take this and lay it across these three fingers, and then you're going to wrap it around this index finger, so you're kind of pointing at a 45-degree angle. Then you keep your hand out and you're just going to place your middle finger kind of on this part of the yarn. Okay, and then you take your thumb and you close it round onto there. Then you have your working yarn, which is this part, and this is what's going to make your tension. So if you pull on this, you'll have a more tense or a tighter gauge, and then if you let it a bit loose, then you have a looser gauge. And that is the key to making your crochet project a success, because you're going to have all of the gauge the same all the way along, so all your stitches are going to be the same size, which is going to be perfect. So I really hope that you do this. This is the number one thing that you need to get right at the start, and then everything else will just fall into place, I promise. So let's just try that. So with your thumb and middle finger, you're going to be holding your work. So at the moment it's just a knot, but you're going to be clasping. So if you bring your thumb and middle finger together, then this part is being held up by your finger. Then as you go along, that can be tighter and looser from your finger, and then if you want to, you can clamp that part in your fingers as needed. And just to stop it getting too tight, you want to just unclamp that, because otherwise it will just get a bit tight. But if you hold that down and then pull your finger up, you'll get a nice tension on it. Not too tight, but you want it to be tight. Otherwise, if you let go of this, then this can just slip out quite easily. Now we're ready to start our project, so we can just get our crochet hook, yarn over. That is not going anywhere, and that's kind of running alongside that, and then that can slip nicely into that chain. Okay, now what you are going to realize is that you can't hold it here for long, because this bit just gets shorter and shorter. So let's try that. So if you don't adjust, if you're just clamping it down, you don't adjust it, that's going to get really tight, sticky and messy. So you want to just open these two fingers, let that go, okay, as and when. Also, then you can kind of move your thumb and middle finger up your work as you're going along. So it was kind of here, and as you're going up, you're going to just move it as you go, like this. And that is how to hold your yarn and your hook. So we've done a nice chain there. You can see it's all a uniform size of stitch, and we have a nice kind of tension going on here. If you like videos like this, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you as part of the community, and you'd really make my day. I bring out videos like this all the time, so it'd be great to see you again. And if you liked this video, then you'll also love this video. I'll see you there.